Hey everyone, it's Jeanette of ResetI. And if you're new here, thanks for stopping by. And if you could hit that subscribe button, your support means the world to me. So, if the home is where the heart is, it's also where the mess is. We're tackling my bedroom today. It needs some dusting, it needs fresh sheets, it needs decluttering, it needs a laundry, of course. Yeah, so it's a bit of everything. So glad you could join me this Sunday. Let's get started. So yeah, here it is. Mess up here. This is still up from this past week. Mess over here. Oh God, mess over here. Look at the bed. Look at the bed. I mean, it's like, it's crazy. All right, computer bag down there, cane pad, blanket. All right.
We can do this how you wanna do it. We can do it steadily. Lay it on me, I want all of you, both physically and mentally. Cause it get me fired up. Really get me going. Girl, you get me fired up. Think that you will notice by now. Cause it get me fired up. Really get me going. Girl, you get me fired up. Think that you will notice by now. On my mind all the time, love the way you think about you. On my mind all the time, love the way you think about you. I can't let you off my face. You're my fire, you're Cause you get me fired up. Really get me going. Girl, you get me fired up. Think that you will notice by now. Cause you get me fired up. Really get me going. Girl, you get me fired up. Think that you will notice by now. On my mind all the time, love the way you think about you. On my mind all the time, love the way you think about you. On my mind all the time, love the way you think about you. On my mind all the time, love the way you think about you. You can talk to me, tell me everything. How your darkest secrets, how your biggest dreams, how your biggest fears, insecurities. Baby, bare your soul, girl, I'm listening. I'm not here to judge you, you can trust in me. I just wanna love you, why can't we just be? Things don't have to be so complicated. Why you keep resisting? Baby, just embrace it. I feel you, I feel you, I feel you, I feel you. wanna know your downs, how your in-betweens. Find that middle ground, take you in my arms, keep you safe and sound. I'm not here to judge you, you can trust in me. I just wanna love you, why can't we just be? Things don't have to be so complicated. Why you keep resisting? Baby, just embrace it. I feel you, I feel you, I feel you, I feel you, I feel you. I feel you, I feel you, I feel you, I feel you, I feel you. Feel you. I feel you, I feel you, I feel you, I feel you, I completely understand you. Baby, I'm the man you ran to. Baby, I'm the one you come to. Baby, I'm the one you run to. Baby, I'm the only one here with his eyes on you like I do. Let me be the one you run to. Let me be the one you come to. Let me be the one you run to. Let me be the one you come to. And oh dear God, I'm so grateful that your mama made you. I'm so grateful, 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 I'm so grateful. Thank your mama and your daddy too. Thank you very much, thank you so much. Thank your college and your high school friends. I really appreciate it, I really do. Thank you to your past experiences, for shaping you to be the best there is. Oh yeah. And oh dear God, I'm so grateful that your mama made you. I'm so grateful, 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 I'm so grateful. And oh dear God, I'm so grateful that your mama made you. I'm so grateful, 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 I'm so grateful. Sent from the heavens, I know you're an angel of God. Let me run a bath and crack the wine for you, you. Cater to your every inch, praise your every particle, yeah. Give you all the recognition you deserve, yeah. And oh dear God, so grateful. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. And oh dear God, yeah. I'm so grateful that your mama made you. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful. Let me get that for you. I'll take it from here. Leave your bad thoughts behind. They got no business here. Release all your worries, girl. Dismiss all your fears. Just be present with me, please. Just be here, right here. Get out of your head and into your body. Your body, baby. You know I got you, and I know you got me too. I need you to dance like nobody's watching, yeah, yeah, yeah. I need you to breathe. I need you to breathe, 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 breathe. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Breathe, 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 breathe. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Breathe, 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 breathe. About as easy as it could be. Breathe, breathe, breathe. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. I need you to focus, all eyes on me. Follow the momentum, yeah. Let it set you free. Show them what you're made of, girl. Let the whole world see that you ain't afraid of nobody. Get out of your head and into your body. Your body, baby. You know I got you, and I know you got me too. I need you to dance like nobody's watching. Nobody's watching, baby. I need you to breathe. I need you to breathe, 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 breathe. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Breathe, 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 breathe. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Breathe, 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 breathe. About as easy as it could be. Breathe, breathe, breathe. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Inhale, exhale. Breathe with me. Inhale, exhale. Be with me. Inhale, exhale. We're exactly where we're supposed to be. Inhale, exhale. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. I need you to trust in me. I need you to please believe. I need you to take my hand. I need you to understand. I need us to make the best. I need us to make the most. I need you to follow my lead. I need you to breathe with me. 1, 2, 3. I need you right now. I need you right now. 1, 2, 3. Breathe, 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 breathe. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. Breathe, 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 breathe. About as easy as it could be. Breathe, breathe, breathe. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. What you say if I pick you up round and take you out for beverages? What you say if I say I wanna be more than friends with benefits? Girl, you got me going mental now. I feel like a degenerate, If I told you how I really feel, girl, tell me, could you handle it? Cause it get me fired up, really get me going. Girl, you get me fired up. Think that you would notice by now. Girl, I'm ready if you're ready.
I hope this video brought you a little inspiration and motivation to tackle some cleaning or finally start that project you've been putting off. Remember, it doesn't have to be perfect, just make progress. See you in the next one.
We can do it steadily,